In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email in Spotify. We will start on mobile, then do the same on a computer so you can follow along on any device. On your Android or iPhone, open Spotify. When the app loads, you should see the usual home screen with your playlists and recommendations. If Spotify asks you to log in first, go ahead and sign in using your current details so the account can be updated. Once Spotify is open, tap your profile picture at the top. This is in the top left or top right corner, depending on your version of the app. After you tap it, a new panel or screen opens with your name, and you will see options like Settings and Privacy and other account-related entries. From there, tap Settings and Privacy. This opens a longer list of options, usually grouped under sections like Account, Playback, and Privacy. You can scroll this list, but you should already see Account near the top area, which is where the email setting lives. Next up, tap Account. The account section focuses on details tied to your profile, such as your plan, username, and email. When this page opens, look for your current email address displayed so you can double-check you are editing the right account. Now tap your current email address. As soon as you do this, Spotify brings up a text field ready for editing, often with the keyboard on screen. Your existing email may appear in the field so you can either delete it or just type over it. Enter your new email address. Type it carefully, paying attention to dots and spelling, since even a single wrong character can lock you out. A useful trick is to say the address in your head as you type it, then quickly scan it once more before moving on. If Spotify asks, confirm your password. This extra step helps prove it is really you changing the login email. Enter the same password you used to sign in, and remember that if the password is wrong, Spotify will usually show a message and keep the old email unchanged. Finally, on mobile, save the change. After you tap the save option, the screen should refresh, and the account page will now show your new email. Some users also receive a confirmation email to the new address, so check that inbox to make sure messages from Spotify arrive correctly. Now let us switch to a computer. Open Spotify and sign in. You can use either the desktop app or a browser. Just make sure you reach your usual Spotify view where your playlists and library appear once you are logged in. Go to your account page. On a computer, this usually opens in your browser, showing an overview of your plan, profile, and email. You are in the right place when you see your subscription information and your current email listed on the page. From here, select Edit Personal Info. This brings up fields that you can change, such as your profile name, date of birth, and your email line. Any field that is editable will usually appear in a box that you can click into. Under Email, enter your new email address. Type the address exactly as you want to use it. And again, double-check for any spaces or spelling issues. On a computer, you can often copy and paste the address from somewhere else, which helps avoid typing mistakes. Next, confirm your password. This works like on mobile, making sure the person changing the email is the account owner. If the password check fails, Spotify keeps your old email so you can safely retry without losing access. To finish on computer, click Save Profile. When the page reloads, the email field now shows your new address, and that confirms the change is stored on Spotify servers. Before we wrap up, an important note. Spotify is changing how accounts are accessed starting September 1st, 2026. If you currently sign in with a username, Spotify says you will need an email address or another supported login method to keep signing in. Updating your email now helps avoid any login surprises when that change arrives. You have now changed your Spotify email on both mobile and computer and made your account ready for the upcoming login changes. If this helped you get your Spotify email sorted, a quick thumbs up helps more listeners find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Spotify guides.